Just put aluminum foil on your fridge door, and you'll never have this problem again. That's right, everyone. I'm sure you've never used aluminum foil this way before, but once you know why that's for, you're gonna try this right away. So this tip is actually pretty simple. First, take a roll of aluminum foil and just tear off a piece. About the size will do the job. Now, just open your fridge door. And then all you're gonna do is place the aluminum foil here. And then just close it. After this, just pull the aluminum sheet. Did you see how easily I pull it off? Let me do it again. Put it here and pull it off again. It came out too easily. The thing is, when it happens, it means that your fridge gasket is not working properly. This gasket purpose is to seal when the door closes. But with time and daily use, this gasket tends to dry up. And that's why it stops sealing your fridge. And then it can cause your food to spoil faster, because the fridge won't be able to maintain the temperature. And even worse, you start to spend more electricity than you should. And in some cases, the door won't even close anymore. And then what people usually do is call a professional to solve the problem, who are gonna ask you to change the door gasket. And then you're not only gonna have to pay for a new one, but you also have to pay for his service. But you don't actually have to do this. So now I'm gonna show you a very simple solution for this, which is probably gonna solve this sealing problem. Come on. So the first thing, go ahead and unplug your fridge. And once that's done, we're gonna need this. Take a look. This is a heat gun, alright? But if you don't have one, you can use the hair dryer instead. And now it's pretty simple. Right here on the gasket, go ahead and turn it on the lowest power. And then, keeping some distance, just apply some heat to the gasket. Moving it up and down like so for about 5 minutes. And there you go, folks. I have already finished. And now, what did we just do here? As we run the heat over the gasket, it helps to soften the rubber. Doing so, it takes away all the dryness, as well as any kind of slack that may have in the rubber, and with this, returning to its natural sealing. So now, let's go ahead and repeat the test. Let's take another piece of aluminum foil. Here, I'm using this, but feel free to go ahead and use something else like paper towel instead. Just make sure to pick something thin. Now, let's go ahead and place the sheet here again. Alright, so now, let's try to pull that off. And now, check this out. You see the difference? It even tore apart. Now, I'm sure my fridge gasket is working properly. So, that's it, folks. Try this out at home. If the sheet's coming out very easily, go ahead and apply some heat. By doing so, I'm pretty sure that this problem is gonna be solved.